Hey, what's up? Welcome back. I got this Rav4 here that it's a comeback. I'm going to explain why. So it's got 118,000 on the Odo. Originally came in for a rough idle. There is no codes in this thing. I got another video on the repair we did for cylinder 4 for the spark plug and the port injector that was possibly leaking into the cylinder. This thing came back with a rough idle still. Couldn't really locate why, because everything was checking out. All the fuel specs and everything like that were within the parameters until I got another Rav4 with the same engine in it, which is an A25 here. A high pressure fuel pump wasn't acting normal, so it was causing a rough idle. We later found out that there was actually a bulletin for this thing, because I just switched over from Chevy to Toyota about a month and a half ago, so I got to relearn everything that I've learned on those systems to a new system, which is super fun. Yeah, I found a bulletin. So the PSIs on the high pressure pump on the old one, they would stick. They would stay low. And I don't know if it was the regulator. That should have thrown a code, but it didn't. And then it wasn't acting like this, where you hit the gas and the pressure would drop because it switched to direct injection, versus how it is acting now, where it's jumping back up. The fuel pressure is jumping back up after you release the pedal, because it's going back into port mode. But the old pump wasn't doing that. And yeah, it needed a whole separate vehicle to diagnose this vehicle, but it's idling just great now. Yeah, that's the update. It's fixed. It was still a fueling issue. I was just looking in the wrong spot. And that's what happens when you don't have any diagnostic codes to go off of. So thanks for watching.